SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool that helps to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to business, competition, project planning, and many other areas. Strengths are internal attributes that give an advantage over others. Weakness is an internal attribute that places you at a disadvantage relative to others. Opportunities are external conditions that you can take advantage of to improve your business or project. Threats are external conditions that could damage your business or project. The origin of SWOT analysis is credited to Albert Humphrey. He was an American business and management consultant who specialized in the areas of organizational management and cultural change. He led a convention at Stanford University in the 60s and early 70s using data from Fortune 500 companies. The aim was to identify why corporate planning failed. The outcome of this convention was the development of SWOT analysis. Remember, SWOT analysis provides a framework for identifying and analyzing the internal and external factors that can impact the feasibility of a project, product, place, or person. It is an essential tool in the arsenal of any manager. Before the advent of SWOT analysis, many of the strategic planning and decision making processes were considerably less structured and relied heavily on the personal intuition and experience of business leaders. Now, let us look at each of the four areas in detail. Strengths refer to the internal attributes and capabilities of an organization or team that give it a competitive advantage. Strengths refer to the internal attributes and capabilities of an organization that give it a competitive advantage. These can include anything from a highly skilled workforce, strong brand reputation, proprietary technology, or robust financial resources. Questions such as what does the team or organization do well, or what unique resources or capabilities do we possess, help to identify these strengths. Weaknesses are the internal attributes that place the organization at a disadvantage relative to its competitors. These can be anything from outdated technology, inadequate marketing strategies, a lack of skilled professionals, or insufficient capital. When asking what could the team or organization improve on, or what resources or capabilities are we lacking, we are trying to identify our weaknesses. Opportunities refer to the external factors in the environment that the organization could take advantage of to achieve its objectives. Opportunities could emerge from market trends, technological innovations, changes in government policies, or societal shifts. When we ask what external opportunities exist for growth or improvement, or what changes in market trends, technology, or regulations could we benefit from, we are looking for these opportunities. Threats are the external factors that could cause trouble for the organization. These could include increasing competition, changing regulatory environment, negative press, or even economic downturns. When asking what external challenges could harm us or what are our competitors doing that could pose a threat, we are trying to spot these threats. Each component of the SWOT analysis informs strategic decisions by providing a snapshot of the organization's current resources and capabilities, that is, strengths and weaknesses, along with the potential opportunities and threats in the external environment. This comprehensive view of the organization's strategic situation helps leaders make informed decisions that will best position the organization or team to achieve its objectives. Conducting a SWOT analysis involves a systematic process to identify your team or organization's strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. You start by assembling a diverse team that can provide different perspectives so that you can achieve a more comprehensive analysis. Include people from different departments and levels within the organization. Clarify what you hope to achieve with the SWOT analysis by having a clearly defined objective. It could be to develop a new strategic plan, evaluate a project or venture, or identify areas for improvement for the organization or for team. The next step is about researching and brainstorming for SWOT. You begin with strengths and weaknesses, which are internal factors. Discuss and list what your organization does well, where you could improve, what resources you have, and what things might be holding you back. Then move on to opportunities and threats, which are external factors. Look at the market conditions, industry trends, and broader socio-economic factors. Identify the opportunities you could exploit and the threats you need to manage or monitor. Not all items listed will be equally important. Rank and prioritize each factor based on how much it may affect your organization. Think about how you can capitalize on strengths, improve weaknesses, seize opportunities, and mitigate threats. For each significant strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat, create an action plan detailing how you will address or capitalize on it. Share the SWOT analysis and action plan with relevant stakeholders and incorporate it into your broader business strategy or project planning or team reviews. A SWOT analysis should be a living document with regular updates and revisions so that its relevance is always maintained as internal and external changes happen all the time. Remember, a SWOT analysis is a snapshot in time. It provides a foundation for understanding your current situation but should be combined with other strategic tools and frameworks for the best results.